The Survival Kit, featuring 262 pieces of survival gear and supplies, is a comprehensive package designed for outdoor enthusiasts, campers, and emergency preparedness. The extensive array of items included makes this kit an invaluable asset for anyone looking to tackle unpredictable situations in the wilderness or during emergencies. One of the standout features of this survival kit is its first aid kit pouch, which is neatly organized and easily accessible. It contains essential medical supplies like bandages, antiseptic wipes, and gauze, allowing you to address minor injuries quickly. This is particularly important when you're far from medical facilities and need immediate care. The inclusion of items like a thermal blanket and a whistle further enhances its practicality, addressing both warmth and signaling needs in dire situations. The quality of the tools and supplies is commendable. The multi-tool is sturdy and versatile, featuring various functions that can be crucial in different scenarios. Additionally, the fire starter and emergency blanket are designed to withstand harsh conditions, ensuring reliability when it matters most. Each piece feels thoughtfully chosen, reflecting an understanding of the types of challenges one might face in the wild. One potential drawback is the size of the kit. While it packs a lot of gear, it may be slightly bulky for casual hikers or those who prefer minimalist packing. However, for serious adventurers or families preparing for emergencies, the extensive contents can outweigh this concern. Overall, this 262-piece survival kit is a robust choice for anyone serious about safety and preparedness. With quality gear, a solid first aid pouch, and a well-rounded selection of survival items, it provides peace of mind whether you're hiking trails, camping in remote areas, or facing unforeseen circumstances at home. It's a solid investment for peace of mind, ensuring you're equipped for whatever challenges may come your way.
Prepared, not panicked. This is Default Prepping. Real-world gear recommendations, real-world strategies. Because when it happens, you're either ready or you're not. Semper, Paratus, always ready.